What's up, guys? We're here, we're cleaning the wheels on a 2017 BMW 340i with the M Sport package. We're using some heavy duty wheel cleaner. The brake dust gets really bad on this car on the front wheels, back wheels not so much. But we're gonna use some heavy duty wheel cleaner and just a regular old brush to get the brake dust off. So hope you all enjoy. So here are the wheels. They're pretty gross, sorry guys. We're gonna clean it with some water real quick, get it wet, and then clean it with a brush and some heavy duty wheel and tire, or wheel cleaner. Alright, so this is what we're using here. The heavy duty wheel and tire cleaner. So we're going to just get it wet real quick. And then just spray it on. And it says to spray it, or to leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. So we'll do that. And we'll agitate it a little bit. Alright, so now that we've agitated the wheel, we're going to rinse it off. See how nice it comes out. Rinse it off. Look how nice that came out.